Alright, I'm sitting here, one of the newest dudes doing it, fresh to the scene. You about to go in. Let's show him how we do it. Mason, Mace Mo. Hit it.
I really like Wiz Khalifa. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Okay. Reds hat, black shirts, I guess I'm looking fly today. I grab my wallet, fitted bucks, I guess I'm feeling high today. You can come if you want, but you gotta be a bad bitch. Rolling up blunts, you ain't smoking out my bag, bitch. Hit it once, that's when you spark it. Girl, you my weed roller, don't be hanging out with garbage. You gotta be a freaky, and you gotta bring some friends. You can hit the roaches that we call that shit dead end. Okay, bitch. You see I'm on a line, if you see I'm on a line. I walk inside the store and everyone else leaves. I swear that ain't BO, that's just some damn good weed. Well man, I don't really give a damn ho. Just like Gucci does it, Kush is my cologne. Yeah. And it smells good, and you done bit wet, but I'ma get it good. You better get inside every time we drive past. You can call that chopper Twister, cause you know it spits fast. Yeah. I'm gonna try to freestyle this last one. Paper, over there. See that? Hat back, ash ketchup shit right now. I'm smoking all motherfucking day. Mace Mo in Franklin, and I got that good pace. I stay high, I'm space high. Somebody tell NASA, but don't tell the police, cause they don't get my ass, bro. They don't arrest me and shit, but I want to be high and just fucking spit on Seth Mo's laptop. Put it on Facebook, hopefully you like it, and then we can just read it real bit sometime. Yeah, bitch. Oh shit, that kid's only 16 and he's one. Fuck.
Back again. New artists. Franklin, Ohio. Just what we're doing right now. Just what we're doing.
John Black, fucking John Backflow, motherfucker. John Backflow.
Get with it or get lost.